In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Doji Star bearish, quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find this pattern on your chart and have it ready to use in just a few clicks. First, make sure you're on your TradingView chart with any market and time frame you want to analyze already open. It could be crypto, forex, stocks, or indices. The process is the same. Once your chart is visible on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the indicators button. This is usually found along the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Search and Indicator library. This is where TradingView keeps all the built-in tools, community scripts, and candlestick patterns you can add to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type the word Doji. Take a moment to spell it carefully, D-O-J-I, so that the right results appear. TradingView will instantly filter the list and show you all indicators and candlestick tools related to doji patterns. This is helpful because it narrows down a very long list into just the tools that matter for what we're doing right now. Among the search results, look for the ones specifically labeled Doji Star bearish. This is the pattern we want to add. It's a candlestick formation that traders often use to spot potential bearish reversals, especially after a strong upward move. When you see it in the list, simply click on Doji Star bearish. As soon as you click it, TradingView will add the script to your current chart. You should now notice that your chart is automatically scanning historical price action and highlighting where the Doji Star bearish pattern appears. Depending on the script, it might mark these with labels, small icons, or colored signals above the candles. You don't need to manually draw anything. The indicator does all the pattern recognition for you in real time. From here, you can fine-tune things if you want. Hover over the name of the indicator at the top left of your chart and click the settings icon to adjust colors, visibility, or other inputs so it matches your personal style. This can make it easier to see the pattern clearly, especially if your chart is already busy with other tools. If you're looking to upgrade your TradingView experience and unlock more features, check out the affiliate link in the description for TradingView Pro. It supports the channel and gives you access to more advanced tools, extra indicator slots, and a smoother workflow while you trade or analyze the markets.